Hey everybody, welcome to While You're In There. Quick shot of the Jeep. Today I just want to talk real quick about switching LED to LEDs on my taillights, and now I got the Hyper Flash. So, what I found on Amazon, my favorite store, was this. See if I can get in there good and clear. Probably not, but it says made in China. But one piece, 12 volt, it's a 5-pin relay. So be sure, mine's a 2003, and it takes the 5-pin flasher relay. But this is the Hyper Flash relay, which supposed to cure that problem. I found it on Amazon. I think it was $11. I'll read off a part number right here so you can get one yourself. It's X002OADL47. And I'll make a follow-up video and let you know how it goes. It'll be a little while because I'm working on some other stuff right now, but I also bought this. Just do something here real quick. This is also from Amazon? Yeah, Amazon I got this. On mine, I already opened this up and everything seems to work really well on it. Well, what happened on mine is kill my battery all the time because this switch here for your headlight, or fog lights rather. Oh, I thought it worked well. No, it doesn't want to pull out. Oh, there it goes. You got to twist it a little bit. There it goes. Okay. But everything feels real nice on it. Turn signals. This is about $60 on Amazon. Oh, I got your hazard thing up here. I heard these are kind of a pain to put in. I will put an install video when I go to do it. But your flasher relay goes right there, just so you know. But this is a good deal here from Amazon. Oh, what I was going to say was my switch here for the fog lights, it was bad. And my lights would always stay on. And if I didn't drive the Jeep for a few days or whatever, it killed the battery on me. And just a pain in the butt. So I bought this to replace the old one. I couldn't find anything where I could just replace the switch, so you kind of had to buy the whole thing. But it looks pretty well built. This package pretty good. I mean, it's in that weird plastic bag, but it came in a nice box. So that's about it. All right, thanks for watching, and I will do a follow-up install video.